Hello everyone, my name is Arvind and today's topic is asymmetric key encryption, or we also call it as public key cryptography. In this method we use pair of keys and these two keys are mathematically related. So in case if you encrypt a message using this key, you can only decrypt it with this key. You cannot use same key for encryption and decryption. So if I'm encrypting with this key, it will be only decrypted with this key. Similarly, if you use this key for encryption, you have to use this key for decryption. Now let's understand practically. So she's Alice, she generates her pair of keys and she will be considering that this is my private key which I'll be keeping secretly, and this is public key which I will advertise publicly, and she will declare that this is my public key which is publicly advertised. If anybody wants to send a confidential message, use this key for encryption, and once I will receive that encrypted message, the ciphertext, I will use my private key which only I have in this world, and I will decrypt the message. Let's understand the situation. Here we have a Bob. He wants to send a confidential message to Alice. He will use Alice's public key for encryption. So this plain text will be encrypted and it will become a ciphertext so nobody can read it. Once Alice receives this message, she will use her own private key which she has kept secretly for decryption, and she'll get the plain text back. So unlike symmetric key encryption, we do not have any problem of sharing the secret key because we have a pair of keys, one for encryption and another one is for decryption. Let's look at its advantages and disadvantages. So the major advantage is sharing the key is solved, unlike symmetric key encryption. Now we have two keys, one for public and one for private, which we will be keeping secretly. We have disadvantages as well. It's a slow process because we are using two keys for encryption and decryption. So it's not suitable for encrypting and decrypting bulk messages. For asymmetric key encryption, we use RSA algorithm. So now I'll show you an example, kind of a small lab where we will be doing asymmetric key encryption using RSA algorithm. So we are using this online portal for asymmetric key encryption using RSA algorithm. So we'll generate RSA keys. We are using 1024 bits for RSA key size. Once I'll press this, I'll get my pair of keys. One will be public, another one is for private. So this is my public key and this is the private one. I'll enter a plain text here. So this is my confidential message. I will use public key for encryption and private key for decryption. So I'll pick the public key here. This is my public key to encrypt my message. I have entered the public key. I have chosen this radio button to tell this application that I'm using public key. There are type of ciphertext. I'll use RSA. I'll encrypt it. This is my ciphertext, which is an encrypted message. Now once Alice received this message, she will use her private key. So this is her private key. We'll apply this private key, and since we are using private key for decryption, we have chosen this radio button here, and we are using the same cipher type. We'll decrypt it and we have got our plain text back. So this is how we have performed asymmetric key encryption using RSA algorithm. I hope this session has been informative. Thank you so much.